The transformative power of fasting. In a world that constantly demands more from us, it can sometimes feel like we're losing touch with our true selves. The noise of everyday life, the distractions, and the expectations can leave us feeling overwhelmed. But there's a practice, an ancient tradition, that has the power to bring us back to balance, clarity, and vitality. Fasting. For centuries, fasting has been a cornerstone of spiritual growth, healing, and self-discipline. But it is not just a physical process, it's a journey of the mind and soul. The benefits of fasting are profound, touching every aspect of our being. On a physiological level, fasting allows your body to reset. When we stop feeding ourselves constantly, our digestive system gets a chance to rest. The body begins to prioritize repairing and rejuvenating cells, clearing out toxins, and enhancing its natural ability to heal. Research shows that fasting can reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. It gives the body the time it needs to rebuild and restore, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving overall longevity. But fasting isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. When you allow yourself to pause, to step back from constant consumption, you create space for clarity. Your thoughts become sharper, your focus clearer, and your creativity flows more freely. It's a mental reset, a moment to reconnect with your true intentions. Fasting encourages mindfulness. With every moment of hunger, you're reminded to be present, to listen to your body, and to be grateful for what you have. It's not about deprivation, it's about learning to find joy in simplicity and to develop a deeper relationship with yourself. Fasting also offers an opportunity for emotional renewal. It can be a powerful tool for breaking unhealthy patterns, shedding emotional weight, and creating space for new beginnings. It teaches you discipline, but it also opens the door. Shared experiences like this help foster empathy, understanding, and connection, reminding us that we are not alone in this journey. Fasting is not a punishment. It is an invitation to reset, to reconnect, and to rediscover the vitality that lies within. Whether you are seeking physical health, mental clarity, or emotional healing, fasting offers you the chance to step away from the noise and embrace a simpler, more meaningful life. Getting started with fasting. First things first, understand why you're fasting. Is it for improved health, mental clarity, spiritual growth? Whatever your reasons may be, having a clear purpose will keep you motivated and grounded throughout your fasting journey. Write it down. Visualize it. This will serve as your anchor. Now let's talk about types of fasting. There are several ways to approach it, so choose one that fits your lifestyle. Here are a few popular methods. The most common and beginner-friendly method is intermittent fasting, where you cycle between eating and fasting windows. The 16-8 method, for example, involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. It's simple and effective, allowing you to skip breakfast and eat lunch, dinner, and a snack in between. Fruit or juice fasting. This method involves consuming only fruit and/or fresh squeezed juice during a specified time period. Fruit is known to have natural healing properties and encourages the body to use nutrients to combat inflammation and reverse certain diseases. A well-known method of fasting, and arguably the most effective, is water fasting. Water fasting consists of only consuming water for nourishment. Benefits such as clearer skin, mental clarity, and a burst of energy can be seen in as little as 3 days. The body also benefits from a process known as autophagy. It's an essential cell operation that allows the body to break down and get rid of damaged cells, so healthy cells can operate more efficiently. Should you choose to incorporate fasting into your lifestyle, it is important to safely break your fast. When it's time to eat, be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, healthy proteins, and unsaturated fats. Fasting doesn't mean overeating when you break your fast. Instead, nourish yourself with balanced meals to keep energy levels steady throughout the day. If you water fasted, start with sipping fresh juice or consuming high-water fruits such as watermelon. This will give your body the chance to reintroduce itself to digesting food again. If you're new to fasting, don't push yourself too hard. You don't need to dive straight into a 16-hour fast on your first try. Begin with shorter windows, like 12 hours, and gradually build your way up as your body adjusts. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, overly fatigued, or uncomfortable, take a step back. Fasting isn't about forcing yourself into discomfort, it's about tuning in and finding balance. If you need to break your fast early, that's okay. Fasting is a personal journey, and everyone's experience is different. Fasting is not only about food, it's an opportunity for mindfulness. Use your fasting hours to reconnect with yourself. Meditate, reflect, journal. Find moments of stillness to embrace the peace that comes with giving your body and mind a break from constant stimulation. And remember, fasting doesn't have to be done alone. If you feel comfortable, share the experience with friends or family. Having a support system can help you stay motivated, reminding you that fasting is a journey of transformation, not a solitary task. So if you're ready to get started with fasting, begin with small, intentional steps. Be patient with yourself. The benefits of fasting, physical, mental, and emotional, will unfold as you continue to show up for yourself day by day. Are you ready to take the first step on this transformative journey? Be sure to research different fasting methods to choose the form that most suits you. Remember, this is your healing journey and nobody else's. Be kind to yourself, prioritize your well-being, and believe that you have the greatest power on earth, and that is to heal. The power of fasting. It's not just a practice, it's a path to vitality and a more balanced and empowered you.